Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add two numbers in Java. Please watch this video till end so that you can understand everything. So let's get started. I'm giving the name of my class as sum. The class has been created. Now remove all if in simple ways. If I'm doing in simple ways. If you want to do in every other, you can do, but it is the simplest. I'm saying this is the simplest. Control. Now I'm going to start with imports and all. Import java dot util dot scanner. This is necessary. You can use any other thing, but scanner scanner is a default class, so it is easy for me to use scanner than any other classes. Now I'll start public class and all. Public class, uh, public class sum. Since I've given some, because since I've given that at the top there is some slash hyphen pasta is nothing, but you can give your name also, you can give anything. I prefer to use pasta because that when I was creating this object I was eating pasta at that time. So let's get started. Now public class has been done. Now I will use static void main so that the terminal window of the Java opens. Static, no, sorry. Use small letter of S. Do not use capital letter. Static void main. अरे वो भी लिख दिया यार क्या. Try to understand, not just copy, please. Now I'll give the class scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner. Give a space. I'm sure I forgot. System dot in. Every time I write C atom, not system. It is system, not C atom. Don't copy. Don't copy the same mistake. Now I would prefer. Now I'll give variables like a and b, and there's some as s. So you can use int as well as double, because int can enter only 4 digits, while double can use decimal plus any means infinite digits. It can use, it can calculate infinite digits in double, but in int only 4 digit and no decimal, so it is better to use double, isn't it? So I'm going to use double a comma b comma s. System dot out dot println. This is a necessary thing. System out dot println. So this is the whatever I'll write here will come in terminal window. So here I am writing the variable of a. So enter the variable. Enter the value. Sorry, the value of a. A is equals to, here you have taken a, you can give b also, but since you have taken b, you have to give a b. This is nothing, you can give anything here, any slang, your name, it will come in terminal window. So sc dot sc, you have to give sc, since you have given the scanner, since the class name is sc over here, over name at below the static void main, and after the scanner you have given sc over here. See, you can see you have given sc over here. So please use sc, nothing else, otherwise error will arrive. Sc dot next. Next is like a keyword in front of these things. Sorry, I've given sp. Next, double. You have to give in the Java software, in the engineering of Java, it has been made like this, that in so that it becomes a keyword when you use small letter, and it becomes a main thing. It becomes a formula type when you use big letter. So it is now here At present it is a formula, so please use it in the big letter, sorry, capital letter. So here you can copy this, Ctrl plus C, copy and paste it over here. Please change the variable value of b and over here also b, so that nothing error arrives. So s is equals to a plus b, sorry, a is equals to b, a plus b. This is the thing where both the values get together and give print, and the output comes in one value. So here you can again copy this, because since we are standard people, we are not gadha type that we'll write again and again the whole thing. The enter, no enter, value of a and b, the sum of, sorry, not value, the sum of a and b. Remember guys to give plus s, not s, because s will if you use s, it will arrive a error, it will make a error, and if anyhow if you fix it, it will not go. Now we are coming to the end of this Java program. Let me check if any error would have come. No errors. I think no error will be coming. If any comes, it will indicate. Bam, no errors. In one shot I have done. Now let's check the terminal window. Enter the value of a. You may give any, you can give in comments that you want to give something else, but here I am giving 45. Enter the value of b here, so that it becomes an easy calculation for your mind. I'm giving 1. The sum of a and b is 46. Bam, it has come. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, and it is your opinion that you like or not. I don't prefer in likes and all, but please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and more logical thinkings of Java.